Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS and 40 vibrations and all of other features working or not in the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. Yes, this is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So in this video, I'll try to mainly focus only on the Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay. Yes, starting from the August 11th. So right now today is August 12th. On August 11th, a lot of iQOO 7 users, not a lot of, I think few of them, they are receiving this kind of update which is 1.7.12. As you can see, this is a software update, and after posting this video, the first question a lot of users they did ask me, 90 FPS is supporting in this iQOO 7 or not? So the answer is that it's not supporting at this moment. No, it's not working. But the good thing is that now, because of this update, all the features got completely enabled for the Battlegrounds mobile game. Yes, so you can actually use this kind of 40 vibrations, and esports mode is working, as you can see, and display enhancement features also got enabled, and voice changes got also added. As you can see, everything got added except 90 FPS in this iQOO 7 device. So right now my iQOO 7 is running only the previous old version, which is a 1.7.9 only. So this is the reason I was unable to show you exactly the details for the gameplay. So in the previous version, you don't get any kind of option, nothing at all. But I did ask few of my subscribers to send me the screenshot, and the screenshot you can see the Battlegrounds mobile with the esports and the 40 vibrations got enabled, and the voice change also got enabled. And not only that, you do get the special option which is called the display settings as well. So which is kind of similar thing which is present in the MI phones. I'll try to explain you what is display settings as well. So these are the features got enabled with the latest software update in the iQOO 7 device, which is 1.72.12. But right now still I'm running the previous version only. That is the reason I was unable to show you. So that is the reason I did ask my subscribers to send me the screenshot, so which might be helpful for other users what is happening. Let me just show you exactly the screenshot for the display settings. So this is a screenshot which one of my subscribers did send me here. As you can see, these are the display settings you can actually get here. So high quality, low quality, and the custom. This is the same kind of interface you can actually remember from the MI phones and Poco phones. Even the MI and MIUI phones, they will be having this kind of customization regarding the profiles, how you can actually set. As you can see, depending on the what kind of performance, or if you want the temperature increasing, something like that. It's kind of lower quality and the high quality. Same, I think I did see in the Poco F3 GT as well. So if I try to open the game turbo from the Poco F3 GT, now you'll be able to see that option which is called, as you can see, this is one. So exact same profile right now is enabled for the iQOO phones as well. Exactly, as you can see, same kind of settings we can actually have in the iQOO 7 device. So these are the few details, friends, which I thought of sharing with you all regarding the 40 vibrations and the esports mode got enabled in the latest iQOO 7 update. And the 90 FPS option is not enabled at this moment, you cannot find. So still the same thing. So this should come from the game developers. They should enable this 90 FPS option for the Snapdragon 870 processors. So as soon as they do, then definitely we will be able to get that 90 FPS. But till now, whatever the iQOO can be doing, they did their own best to provide all the special options which are necessary for the Battlegrounds mobile. Yes, so their part is done. So now the game developers, they need to do their own part fixing the 90 FPS in the iQOO 7 device. So previously we used to tell the iQOO team they should give this all options. So why they're not giving? But finally we got all the options enabled. That's another good positive thing we got. So previously, as you can see, when there's no options at all, nothing in the previous version, same like me. But in the new version, it's completely different. You can actually get a lot of options which are really useful for most of the users. Esports mode, and now it looks really smooth, very smooth. Now you can actually play the gameplay if you try to use the esports mode and all this kind of options mainly. So I'm really eagerly waiting for this kind of update. I'm not sure when I'll be receiving this kind of update. Still I did not receive the July update, and now August security patch update also some of the users are actually getting in the iQOO 7 device. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are the thoughts, and how many of you received the update today on the August 12th. That is what I'm going to see. Still I'm trying to look for the update, but still I'm not getting that update at all. So thank you for watching this video, friends. I just want to share this information with a lot of other users. So 90 FPS is not supported in the latest update, so don't worry about that. Maybe in the next BGMI 1.6 it might be updated. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.